All right, so what we're going to focus on is this icon right here. And that's we talked inside the classroom, that's the icon that shows if the dry chemical or the foam system have been activated and need to be cleaned or blowed down. So what we'll do is we're going to demonstrate the way the system operates. So I'm going to put the truck in water and foam, push and hold for 3 seconds. Okay, so we know that I'm in, the foam valve is open, the water pump is engaged, and I'm ready to discharge. We notice now how the icon has changed from grayed out to now it's amber, warning me that I'm going to need to clean the system out. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open the discharge for the bumper turret. We know that the discharge is open because the light is on, so we're discharging water and foam. I'll close that. Fire's out, so I'm going to turn the system off. And so everything is off, but we notice that the icon is still illuminated. So now I can simply push the soft button number 3, and the computer tells me that the foam system needs to be cleaned. So I'm going to select foam flush. The computer has turned the water pump on, and it's telling me that I need to open the bumper turret for low flow. So I will open that. Water, and now the foam is cleaned itself out. What I still need to remember though is I need to flow water through the rest of the truck, the rest of the discharges, to clean all the foam out. So to exit, and then one more, and we notice that the icon is grayed back out again, so we've cleaned it. Let's go through the dry chem system operation. We'll do the same thing. So for dry chem, I push and hold for 3 seconds. And so the dry chem system now is operated. Notice my icon is telling me something has been turned on. And what I'll do now is I will open the discharge for the bumper turret. And now I've discharged, everything's good to go. So let's watch, we'll take it out of dry chemical, and then I'll clean the system out. So now the screen is telling me that the dry chem system needs to be cleaned out. So I'll go to dry chem blowdown. The computer does everything. It tells me what I'm supposed to do. It says dry chem lower discharge. That's the bumper turret. So I go on. Nitrogen is cleaning out the system. The computer says good to go. Shut it off. And then we're all clean, ready to go. The other thing, or the third thing that this button, this allows me to do is, it allows me to fluff or aerate the dry chem system. So no more taking the lid off and stirring it. So to aerate, you simply select it. I've got the nitrogen off, so it's giving me a warning about that. Yeah, that's fine. I still want it to aerate. So now the system is aerating the vessel. It's pressurizing the vessel, and the nitrogen is moving the dry chemical around so that it's not clumped up. We'll wait. It takes about 30 seconds for that to happen, and we'll let the computer tell us what to do. So what it's told me now is that my time, it's done its job. It's circulated the chemical, and now it tells me that I need to vent the dry chem tank. So I'll send my operator on top of the truck, open the yellow handle, vent the tank. Everything's good. Exit. We are back to normal. So we have flushed the foam, blowed down the dry chem, and aerated the dry chem all from button number 3 and watching the computer.